Hello, and welcome to AI Crusaders. Today I am super excited to share with you this method for generating multiple consistent characters that you can use in your storybooks, animation projects, comic books, or whatever amazing projects you have in mind. But one thing you should keep in mind is that you can never create exactly the same character using AI. There must be a little bit of difference between the characters. Nowadays in this AI era, many AI tools are available on the internet, which you can use for creating images as well as consistent characters, but most of them charge money. On the other hand, Leonardo is also charged dollars, but don't you worry. Today, we will explore a 100% free method that you can use and create consistent characters as much as you want. So without further delay, let's get started. But before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get updates on our new tutorials. Let's jump in. Go to the browser, search TensorArt, click here. Now you will get a lot of options, AI tools, or models. Click Models, select the 3D option, select the model of your choice, and then click on Run. But before you will have to sign up with the Google or Discord account. Now click on Run. Here give your prompt. The prompt is written in the description box, just copy it and edit as you need. Also, give a negative prompt like bad body, bad arms, or unrealistic is not allowed. Negative prompts are also given in the description box. Now select the aspect ratio that is given, sampling steps will be less than 25, give seed as it is, now advanced settings, now click generate. It will take some time to process. See it really amazing. If you are not satisfied with the result, click again on the generate button. Click and download it. Then to get another pose, make some changes in the prompt according to your need and also copy the seed key of your favorite image and click on generate. In this way, you can generate up to 100 images completely for free without charging a penny. Download all the images. Let me show you all the images I have just created. Now these images are ready to use for your projects. If you don't like the background, then go to Canva and upload the images. Now click on the image and click on Edit. Now here you can see the option. Remove the background by clicking it, and here you go. Now I want to add some extra images of pets to my design. You can add the background of your choice here. And here you can see the beautiful design. Download it and use as much as you want in your designs. So this was all about today. I hope you must have learned something new. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it. And subscribe to my channel. I will see you at the next video. Take care.